Good morning, students. I am Vijay Kumar, HOD, PG Chemistry. In third semester, you have four papers, as like in first and second semesters. Each and every paper consists 4 units. Okay. I deals with actually 2 papers and paper 3 and paper 4. So in third semester. Let us discuss about syllabus related to paper 4, that is chemistry of natural products, which contains 4 units. Those are alkaloids, terpenoids, steroids, and flavonoids and isoflavonoids. Okay. So in first unit, not only first unit, actually in chemistry of natural products, different type of natural products are there, natural compounds are there. In all units, commonly we should discuss about introduction, isolation, classification, stereochemistry, and structural elucidation of the compounds and synthesis of the molecules. Okay, so these are the common things in each and every topic in fourth paper, that is chemistry of natural products. In first unit, that is alkaloids, which contains different natural products related to compounds. So those are morphine, strychnine, vincristine, colchicine, camptothecin, and reserpine. So all these are very important compounds, and we should mainly learn about morphine, reserpine, and vincristine. These are very important compounds related to unit 1, and these structures with molecular formulas are looks like shown in this. The structure of morphine with molecular formula, structure of strychnine with molecular formula, structure of vincristine with molecular formula, structure of colchicine with molecular formula, structure of camptothecin with molecular formula, and structure of reserpine with molecular formula. Good. Next, second topic is terpenoids. Same in terpenoid also we should discuss about introduction, isolation, general methods, physiological effects, stereochemistry, structural elucidation, and the synthesis of farnesol, gingiberine, forskolin, taxol, azadirachtin, and beta-amyrin. And these structures are looks like shown in the pic. Of farnesol with molecular formula, structure of gingiberine with molecular formula, structure of forskolin with molecular formula, structure of taxol with molecular formula, and the structure of beta-amyrin with molecular formula. Amyrin, okay. And next one is steroids. Same in this topic also we should discuss about occurrence, nomenclature, stereochemistry, biological effects, isolation, structural determination, and synthesis of cholesterol, androsterone, testosterone, estrone, progesterone, and the biosynthesis of steroids. Okay. So in this, it is very easiest topic comparing with 1 and 2. Why? Because if you know about cholesterol, then you can get all molecules, that is androsterone, testosterone, estrone, and progesterone. So that's why cholesterol molecule is very important. very important. Okay, and these structures are looks like shown in the following pic. Okay, try to observe all structures with molecular formulas, that is cholesterol, androsterone, testosterone, estrone, progesterone. Okay, good. Try to practice structures also. And the next topic is flavonoids and isoflavonoids, which is also very easiest topic. Same in this topic also we should discuss about nomenclature, occurrence, biosynthesis, biological activity, and the structural elucidation and the synthesis of camphorol, quercetin, cyanidin, genistein, butene, and digoxin. Okay, and these structures are looks like as shown in the following pic. Camphorol structure, quercetin structure, cyanidin chloride structure, genistein structure, butene structure, and digoxin structure. This is of flavonoids and isoflavonoids, very important topic. Actually two ways are there, that is acetate pathway and shikimic acid pathway. Okay, this is known about syllabus related to 4th paper in 3rd semester. Okay students, see you later and connect with next video. Bye.